Good start, my lads. Quick spin it for a wee wild. Oh, we fucked. Good start, then it just turns fucking pish. £17. Oh ho ho! Oh come on, even a big win. Top symbol. Come on! Sensational, guys, sensational. When you get left? One. Oh, there he is. £81 for that one. Top symbol. Oh, superb for that one. There you go, £300 for an 80p stake. Well, nearly £300. How about that, bitches? Shout out to my uncle Stop and Step. I'm a moderator on his channel, guys, so any abuse I'll be blocking yous. Aye, so just a shout out to all my favourite trolls. I love yous all. Big kisses.